Hey Sammy fam, make sure you're following me all over the web so you won't miss out on any of these amazing, delicious recipes. That's TikTok, that's Twitter, that's Instagram. Make sure you get the screen name right. Hey, and if you're on Facebook, just type in Nom Nom Sammy Boy to the search bar, and I'm sure you'll find me. Let's get cooking. Today we are making Bang Bang air fryer shrimp. It's going to be a little messy, but it's going to be worth it. We're using potato starch and a fresh cat. Actually, just potato starch. The potato starch I find gives you a nicer crisp when you're frying things. I learned this from making Korean fried chicken. We're going to have a panko station. And we're going to have a wet station, starting with Kewpie mayo. This is where the Bang Bang spicy flavor comes in. Our Thai chili sauce, sweet and spicy. Sriracha, to add a little bit more spicy kick. And that garlic and sriracha is real nice. Stir that all up, and this would just be a great dipping sauce on its own. But it's really going to be the seasoning for our shrimp before we put it in our starch and into our panko. That's going to be the crunch. You always got to taste while you're cooking. Figure out what it needs, make adjustments. I wanted it to be a little bit spicier. That's perfect. I have our shrimp already thawed, shelled, deveined. First into the starch, then into the sauce. I don't know why I'm trying to be dainty, because the whole kitchen's going to end up ruined after this anyways. Might as well just embrace the mess, clean it up later. Get these all nice and coated. It's a bit of an arduous task. If you're not recording this for the internet, just get your iPad or your laptop or whatever and put on your favorite TV show while you do this. That's what I usually do when I'm not producing content. We'll just speed through this. Always gets a little tricky near the end when the panko's gotten wet, but slap these into the freezer. That'll help them stay together. Do up another plate of them. Come on, Nom Nom Sammy Boy, you can do it. You can get through all these. So many shrimps. And this is just a pound of shrimp, but it just feels like so many. It's going to make so many batches in the air fryer. Okay, our second batch is done into the freezer. So let's start on some toppings. Gonna use some nice green onions. Sorry if you guys can hear my neighbors screaming. They're constantly high, incredibly stupid, and very rude. We're going to use butterhead lettuce as kind of a wrap for our shrimp. I like to sort it out in order of size, so I know what are the good ones for putting big ol' shrimpy boys inside of. Now these have chilled in the freezer for about half an hour. I think they'll be ready to cook. You want them to be nice and cold so they hold together, and also so you don't overcook the shrimp as you're crisping up the outside coating. Because nobody likes a rubbery, overcooked shrimp. And look at that, after about 400 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the size of your shrimp. Mine are pretty big here. You have a beautiful crispy coating. It's gonna go great with the green onion, a little more of our Thai chili sauce. And the shrimp itself is beautifully seasoned, but this is just like icing on the cake. And that is a bite full of amazing, delicious flavor right there. Juicy, not overcooked inside. Perfectly moist, perfectly crispy on the outside. Go ahead and give some air fryer shrimp a try. Just keep an eye on them, use your nose, and make sure they don't burn. because the cook time really depends on the size shrimp that you have bought. Thanks for watching, fam, and if you like this recipe, please share it with your friends and family, post it on your social media. It really helps me out, and maybe someday I can get out of this hellhole and have neighbors who don't lose my keys and break into my apartment through the fire escape. Still trying to get a new screen so I can open my window again, and summer's coming.